Hi, my name is Mr. P. Good news, Summit School. Migou has arrived in the rainforest. To introduce your first activity, we go to none other than our man in the field, the amazing Bruno!
Hi everybody! What's up, dudes and duettes? It is I, the amazing Bruno, with our favorite yeti, Migou. We are here in the rainforest. Pretty far from your natural habitat, eh, Migou? No snow in sight, and it's pretty hot out. Classic Migou. He might not talk much, but he's ready for action. Join us on a totally awesome scavenger hunt to search for very cool and amazing creatures that live in rainforests all over the world. What's that, Migou? Wow, I can't believe my mind. Migou, you found a footprint. Let me see. 4 toe pads, 1 big heel pad, no claws showing, about the size of a pancake. Migou, it appears that you have found the footprint of a jaguar, the top South American rainforest predator. Let's follow these tracks and see if we can find them. To follow a dangerous predator like a jaguar, it's best to be quiet. Follow me.
Was that a never mind. I'm sure they're alright. Have fun exploring the rainforest, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.